changes to the GO station, please proceed to the left. For the Union TTC station, please proceed to the right. For the King station, please proceed to the far right. Thank you for your cooperation and we wish you a happy... I feel like he just recorded himself saying that once. It is just press and play. Look at that queue to get into the subway station.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's crazy.
But can your parents do that? Yeah, they can.
Yeah, I'm gonna not go into Union Station. I'll tell you what the smart people are doing who don't mind walking a few minutes in the freezing cold. They're going to St. Andrew and then going backwards one stop. So I'm gonna get on the train at St. Andrew, which is gonna come back down to Union. It's gonna load up with 10 billion people. So can I outsmart the system here? There's a very good chance I'm not the only one with this thought. But rather than wait, who knows how long in that giant crush of people. There's the Royal York Hotel on the right. All right. Oh, that's nice. Oh, compared to the crush of people at Union, this is downright pleasant. I didn't decide to go this way. This is how you do it. Skip the big crowds at Union.
Line 1, fourth page.
And you get a nice quiet train that will fill up with people at the next stop.
Line 1, fourth page.
I think they're loading so many people onto the train at Union. The train just ahead of us is probably taking extra long at that platform.
Line 1, fourth page.
There's that stupid new Sideways. Subway map. I'm not a fan of that.
Line 1.
It's not north-south.
Line 1, fourth page.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Let's see how fun this gets at the next stop.
Next station, Union Station. Transfer for Up Express, Go Transit, Ontario Northbound. via rail and intercity buses. Doors to open on the right.
The line 1. Line 6 is still done. Line 6 is Mamaya, daming tao dito. Hindi lang dito tayo sa scene. Go tayo, tatay mo.
Arriving at Union Station, transfer for Up Express, Go Transit, Ontario Northland, via rail and intercity buses. Doors to open on the right.
Line 1, North Finch.
Please stand clear of the doors. Please stand clear of the doors. Clear of the doors. Please stand clear of the doors. Clear of the doors. Next station, King King Station. Doors will open on the right.
I'm still alive. Like, big kid away.
Line 1, North
خیلی بده.
Bloor-Yonge Station. Transfer from line 2 to Bloor-Yonge.
آفرین.
Doors will open on the right.
اون بار دقیقا واسه اونا نشستن تو خونه. پاشو بیا ما هاروی فرانک پاشو خدا
Please stand clear of the doors.
Like my height, you mentioned super turtle. Oh, like Harry Potter. Yeah, so my mention.
Arriving at Eglinton Station. Doors will open on the left. Line 1, North Finch.
There goes a nearly empty southbound train. That wasn't a particularly
See something? Say something discreetly.
packed
Visit
train.
the TTC
A
app.
little bit busier
Download
than normal.
it today. There's safety and support for every customer. Learn more at ttc.ca/safety. /safety.
These new escalators haven't yet opened. Neither has the Crosstown LRT. And there is another train right on the heels of the one I was just on. That one has even less people than the one I was on, dude. Well, the one I was on had a fair number of people get on at St. Clair.
Line 1, North Finch.
It's not at all busy. things are relatively quiet on the streets in Midtown. There's Yonge and Eglinton. Just thought I'd record a few subway scenes on my way home. I'm not sure if this video will even find its way onto YouTube. But I hope you enjoyed whatever the heck this was. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. And again, Happy New Year. Well, again, I said that in a prior video. I hope you had a good one. It was a fun night. I hope you had a good night and have a good New Year's. And I have a video to edit. And I am freezing cold. Too bad there isn't a cafe open. I could grab a hot chocolate and a snack. There's someone with glittery pants. Oh, but sadly they're not walking in this direction. So I hope you enjoyed it. Happy New Year's once again. Stay warm, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next one. Yoink.